What's up? I'm Ashley Moan, Holstein Association's Communication Coordinator, and with us today we have Lindsay Warden, Executive Director of Genetic Services. Welcome, Lindsay.
Thank you.
So what are some common questions your Genetic Service Department receives, and you can go into their answers as well.
Of course, our staff fields a really wide variety of questions each day, but there's a couple things that I'll just kind of touch on today that are pretty common things. I would say the first one is, genomic testing is a huge thing for our department. It's growing by leaps and bounds. So we have a lot of people that they haven't started testing yet, but they're interested in getting started. So a common question we get is, how can I order a genomic test, and what do I have to do that? So we've developed a lot of different ways that people can order tests. We try and make it as simple as possible. So there's really four main ways. They can order at the time of registration if they use our Easy ID software. If people use our Enlight, our online tool, they can either order it at the time of registration in Enlight, or there's another section called order genotyping that they can use if the animal is already registered in Enlight. So there's two ways to do it online. The third way, I guess, is also kind of an online way. They can email their request to us. And of course, probably the most common way is they can just call their order into customer service. A couple ways to submit DNA and a couple tips I'd have for success. There's two main ways that people are sending in DNA for genomic testing. Hair is still by far most common. So just a couple tips for people that are using hair. We advise them to pull between 30 and 50 strands of hair from the switch. It's always really important to make sure, look at the ends and you'll see the little root bulb follicles. People need to check and make sure those are attached. Another sampling method that's becoming a lot more popular is our tissue sampling units. So they can order those right from Holstein, just that they can order them with ear tags. We sell them in boxes of 10 or boxes of 100. Or you can also purchase them paired with an official Holstein tag, which is a convenient option, especially for people that are doing a lot of their calves. And the thing that we hear about on a daily basis is producers that are unsure about the identity of either a calf or sometimes even a mature cow. So, we definitely don't pass any judgment on people when this happens. There's a lot of things that people can do. So step one, if it's a baby calf and she's not registered yet, we'd like you to go ahead and send that registration application in. And you'll put a note on there that says that you need parentage testing because you're unsure of the parentage. But sending that registration application in, that gets the record in our system, so we've got the official ID to use, and also that locks in your registration fee. But if the animal's already registered, that's totally fine too. They can just give us a call. You can call customer service or call the Genetic Services Department directly. We'll be happy to help you. So whether you're calling in or sending it in with your Easy file, we just need kind of a brief note kind of explaining generally what you think happened, why there's a question, because that's going to help our operators figure out what type of test is going to help get you your best answer. Other things I'll just highlight related to the Genetic Services Department. So I always like to give a shout out to our Enlight online genetic management program. A lot of people are calling in. Everybody's always eager to receive their genomic test results, and Enlight's really our quick way that people can just log on and view all their new genomic results. Another newer feature on our website that I wanted to mention is our Polled Resource Center. We get a lot of questions from people that are getting interested in polled genetics. They want to know kind of what it is, how they can get involved, and so we developed this resource center on our website. I definitely encourage people to check out holsteinusa.com for all of our latest information. If they're looking for information on genomic or genetic testing, we have the nice red banner on the home page right beneath our main video box. They can just click on that, and we've got all kinds of information, all of our current test options and pricing, and just a lot of other reference information like our release date schedule.
Thanks, Lindsay, for joining us, and thanks for tuning in to another episode of What's Up.